killed a man yesterday. That is hilarious! But every Christmas, he comes back! You're gonna help me, huh? I'm gonna kill myself! I'm gonna kill myself! It's gonna be a fun! And I'm gonna catch the police! It worked! Kill you, monkey! I'm sorry, monkey. But you're gonna die! You will pay for your fault! Die, motherfucker! Where's the police? We're gonna kill monkey! Yeah, I like this, Uncle Zeta! There's some nice Christmas, Uncle Zeta! Yes, a nice Christmas! You will never take me alive! How are you doing, Miss Mommy? Are you fine? Are you okay? No! I'm gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna... No, Monkey! Monkey! No, Monkey! You better do anything to me, Monkey! I'm gonna get myself, Monkey! And if you get something, I...
Do it.
What?
Do it.
I'm gonna do it!
Go ahead. You're a coward. You're a coward and a fool.
I can kill myself!
But I can kill you! Big mistake, Mommy.
Stop it right there. Jesus Christ!
I'm not gonna let you do anything to her, Monkey. Because it's my birthday. I will defend her with my blood and my body. So you better stay...
Monkey was a prank! Monkey was a joke! What is this? I'm a man now! I'm gonna kill myself!
I serious Christmas.